Hey besties! Are you looking for a curly hair tutorial? Do you want your curls to turn out like this? Miss Tay Kaysen. Thanks for coming to my channel. What's up y'all? So if you're wondering why my hair is in this bun, it's because I like to let my hair dry on top of my head so that all of this can kind of get stretched out. The reason is because of shrinkage, and this helps me a lot with that. I know a lot of us struggle with it, so I just like to put it on top of my head, let it dry up there, and then I take it down when this part is a little damp, not wet at all though. So this part is a little damp and this part is completely dry. And so with that, when I take it out and it hangs, this part is already dry. It's a little bit straighter, so I like that. When it falls, my roots are already a little longer. The shrinkage is less because of it. Take it out, and like I said, it's still damp. Okay, still damp. So when I got out of the shower, I put conditioner in it, I brushed it through, and then I let it sit on top of my head. Like the volume and how bouncy it is. We're gonna part it. Put half of it up. You can just put it in like a bun like this. Now it's still drying. Separate these two. It's already dried halfway down here, and so it helps it to kind of sit. Like if I just got out of the shower, brushed my hair, and started scrunching it, my roots would already be curled like this. So it would promote shrinkage, and I don't want that. I want longer curls. The first product that I'm going to use is by Matrix. I Unbreak My Blonde leave-in treatment. I just put a little bit, a tiny bit, about that much on my hand, rub it in, and then start going through my hair. That's just enough for this side. Get the ends. Same thing on this side. Make sure you get it through. So it's a leave-in treatment. I like to leave in treatments in my hair. I don't know about anybody else, but I think it's the best thing for it. And you see it's nice and, you know, it's dried up here. I already like the way it looks already. Next I'm going to go in with my conditioner by Matrix. I honestly love this conditioner. It's very thick, but you just need a little bit, about this much. You see it's already, look at how much my hair took in that moisture. So this is definitely a great product for my hair. Just a little bit. Get it all through the hair, and especially at the end. Since I dyed my hair blonde, they tend to be frizzy. My hair really likes this product. That's an important thing. With trying to find the right products for your hair, you have to know your hair porosity. And the easiest way to find this is, all you have to do is take out a piece of your hair, a small piece of your hair. It doesn't have to be a big piece. Just put it in a glass of water, fill that water halfway up. If it floats, then it's either high or low. And if it sinks, then it's either high or low, and in the middle, it'll just be middle porosity. So the next product is called Creamy Hair Butter, and it's by OGX. You can leave it in, rinse it out. Mielle hair gel. This is what it looks like. It's a styling gel. This smells so good. About this much for both sides. We want to kind of like try to go up, like over it. You don't want to go through it like you would with the conditioner. You kind of just want to like coat it. Coat the hair. Scrunch your hair like this. Scrunch it up. So this is really how to get, you know, your curls were kind of like revived when you dye your hair blonde or you have some damage. This is what I like to do. See, the curls form by themselves because I have curly hair
naturally. So this is how you scrunch all the way up. Scrunch.
And I know like there's some videos with your curls having to be drenched, but I don't really like that method because it produces a lot of shrinkage. And my hair will shrink. That's what the curls look like. They look beautiful. I'm gonna do that to the rest of my hair. So sometimes your curls clump up and you want to separate some of those so they can have individual curl pattern for themselves. As you can see, I did this to my whole head, and now I'm just gonna continue scrunching. I do it for about 5 more minutes on my whole head. I'm gonna put oil on it. Every day is different. Today is gonna be a basil and castor oil day. And I'm just gonna put it all over my hair. Scrunch it in. You would mess up the curls at this point if you were to put your hands through your hair, so just scrunch. You can either let it air dry or you can diffuse it. Today I'm going to diffuse it to show you guys how to get those tight, really nice curls. Air drying seems to be a little more frizzy for me, so sometimes I do air dry and sometimes I diffuse. It just depends on the day. I do use a pick after and pick it out. This is post hair diffusing, and if you would like to see a video on me diffusing my hair and how I do it, just let me know. I would be more than willing. So diffusing also promotes shrinkage, and so I'm going to let it air dry for a little while longer. So I let my hair air dry for about 15 minutes. I'm going to use my pick and flip my hair over and pick it out from the roots of the very back.